Today, I've gone all in on Tesla stocks. So I've invested Tesla stock for you guys, and today I'm going to reveal how much Tesla stocks you own. Okay, so Oscar, do you know anything about Tesla?
They make electric cars. Electric, and you don't need to drive them.
Like self-driving. So you know about the self-driving cars, yeah? Do you know who's the owner of Tesla?
Elon Musk. He's the richest man in the world because they're good for the environment.
Do you know that you own Tesla stocks? I've invested Tesla stock for you guys, and today I'm going to reveal how much Tesla stocks you own. Okay, so there's a letter here and here, so don't show. See how much you own Tesla stocks, and then how many Tesla stocks do you own, Oscar?
20 Tesla shares.
How about you, Audrey?
17.
Oh, 17. Are you guys happy that you own Tesla stock? Do something for the environment and also investment for your future. So when you guys turn 18, manage your own money, and hopefully Daddy will can put more money for you guys when I save hard enough. But this is very hard in cash, and hopefully that you guys learn what Tesla stock is. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, hold on. So today the market opened. I know the market's a bit volatile, but I started thinking, nothing else could beat Tesla, so I started selling stocks. I mean, why wait? Tesla was sitting about 810, it dropped to 790, and I thought, man, it's time to go in. So I went all in on Tesla. So what I've done is I've sold the likes of my FU portfolio. I sold Square, IPOE, I sold for profit, SEA Limited, I sold for profit. My Trading 212 account, I sold my beloved Lemonade for profit. I sold PayPal for profit. I sold it all. And then on my kids account, they had Square. I sold all their Square, sold all their Facebook, and also I put some cash in it for both my children. And then in return, we have submitted and bought a smashing total of 37 Tesla stocks today on the Monday on the 1st of February, and around about average between 815 to 823, because as I was buying, the price was going up for some bizarre reason, and I found out why. So I bought it just at the right time. It's going up, and there's so much going on at the same time. So as it stands, the whole entire family, each of our individual account, retirement account, all that in total, we've got a total of a smashing 146 Tesla stocks today. So that's inclusive of the addition of the 37 Tesla stocks. So 146 is a lot of money. I'm hoping to keep long term, and I'm still so bullish about Tesla. Also, another point I'd like to point out is Tesla is currently my top 3, my number 1 in my holdings for my top 3, which I planned since like October, November last year. So now Tesla has just creeped up to the top spot, and now following the second spot is Nvidia, AMD, and then 5 and up on the third spot there. So this is my investment strategy. I make sure I keep it simple, that I focus on the companies that I believe that will grow. It's no point trying to pick so many companies, but rather keep this one to buy on the dips, this 3 sector. So on Tesla, so bullish to a point where I still see a $2 trillion company by before 2025. That's in 4 years time, or less than 4 years time. $2 trillion company, and in fact, I'm actually being very conservative in the valuation of the company. And the fact that my previous buy trigger was 787 and then 730 from the charts which I've shown previously on my 2 videos. And back then, even at that point, I thought it was pretty low to buy Tesla because the support line was so strong. And from a valuation of 2021 and 2022, I was saying with an EPS of 5.5 towards the end of this year or towards start of next year, we're talking about between the next 12 to 18 months. And a growth rate of 60%, which they've established, and 900,000 vehicles by this year and then slipping to next year, I see a value of Tesla of $1,036. That's my personal price target by using my Graham's intrinsic calculator here, as I mentioned in the last video. And after that video, sitting over the weekend, looking at the prices fall, looking at Tesla falling, I feel so confident, I feel so bullish. This was an opportunity to buy. I like all the stocks like Square, PayPal, Lemonade. I love their stocks, but then because I'm so certain that the volatility of Tesla, even with the volatility, but they will be a $2 trillion company with me being so conservative by 2025. And that is almost about 5x if I average down what I've bought since like the start of 2020. And now I want to present 4 facts what's caused Tesla stock to surge today, and we might be seeing a breakout which we were hoping for just after the earnings. So the first news that caused a rocket up today is Tesla price target by Piper Sandler of $1,200, and they issued a 110 pages document, and starting off the line, the fireworks has not even started yet. Because we're talking about the energy company, we're talking about the full self-driving vehicles, we're talking about the potential of 5 to 10 million cars production per year. And the second point is I received an email also today from Catherine Wood, part of an email newsletter, talking about the earnings of Tesla, and what she focused on was the battery production. We might hit a limitation, but we're talking about 500,000 vehicles. And also it's that full self-driving, the FSD. She's talking about $3.8 trillion market by 2025 and natural geographical monopolies. Not just Tesla, many cars will be fighting in China's got the Xpeng. And also the third news is Germany, 1 billion euros funding to build Gigafactory in Berlin. They're trying to secure them. They're trying to say, don't leave us, stay here. And finally, the fourth point I found from Tasmania is that New York State Teachers Retirement System has decided to invest 2 rounds now their pension funds into Tesla. Pension fund into Tesla. I thought pension funds were holding dividends, slow growth companies, they pay a reliable defensive dividends. No, they're putting money into Tesla. Everywhere else, there's still so much room for growth. I feel so bullish, so confident that I could invest my kids' future savings, hard-earned savings. You can feel it as parents, you and me, into Tesla. So this is me on Tesla. I hope this will give you some motivation to invest in such a great company, and also motivation to save money for your children's future, because this is only the beginning. I hope you've enjoyed that video.
Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel.
And hope to see you soon. Bye!
Bye.